everyone, mabuhay, happy Subuka is here in Pangkor Island, here in Malaysia. And currently I'm here on one of the jetty in here, the processing of dried fish. Like you can see in the background, there's some in here, and some are from the other islands, I guess, or from the fishing net itself. So what I wanted to show you now is the surrounding. Like you can see, it's from here, there's a lot of fishing boats. There are fishing boats that's coming in from there. So it's fun, it's awesome that I visit this place on my break. I know that I'm an islander from Solomon Islands coming here into Pangkor Island here in Malaysia, and it's awesome place to have the view. You know, like I've mentioned, as always, is an islander is always an islander. Okay, so let's dive into this place and show you just into this jetty, and stay tuned for some of those videos that I'll be uploading probably next. And please don't forget to subscribe and share the videos. So, you know, I'm just trying to share something that it's good for everyone, and probably if you want to visit someday. And yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, that is where we came from, and this one and the surrounding on the left, I think this already been the abandoned house, or probably extended out there. And those are boats, like I've mentioned, that is one fishing boat's coming in. And this is the jetty that we are walking through, and on these sides are all these tons of fishing boats. One is moving out there. Good luck, my friend. More fishes to come. So this is it. That is not that so close, but I can still go closer here into those boats. And I believe those are stacks of fishes, probably processed fish, dried fish, stuck over there. And that's it for there. Well, we're moving backwards, going into the jetty front, I mean. And there you go. Wow. So that is the boat that we actually zoomed in just now, and that is how close that I can. Right? Yeah, I think they are loading their stuff, going to the sea again, and those. And I don't know, I think our friend there is feeding some fish. Maybe I can talk to him if he allow me. Yeah, so there you go. Malaysian flag. How I wish that I can see how they unload some of the fish that they catch. So here we are. This is the end of the jetty. That is how close we are there. they're fixing something, and let us see. Wow. There's a tugboat. Wow. I can't imagine. This is actually the fishing heaven here in Malaysia. Those are all fishing boats. There. And then there's another one there. Awesome. Yeah, okay guys, that's all for now on this video that we have here at this jetty here in Pangkor Island. We have actually spoken to one of the fishermen out there, and he has a very interesting story about this place. And again, those are the boats that I actually took a video. Most of them are, I think, preparing for the trip to catch the fishes, and it's a very nice weather for now, but I heard that it is very hot here in this island at this time. So again, please don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel, and I will try to share something here at this island. I mean, on my visit to here this island. Okay, that's all for now, and I'll see you again later. Bye bye.